got my fries tipped over. Oh man. I got ranch. And I didn't know Wingstop do deals on Tuesdays. So I got some boneless wings. And I couldn't decide. Ooh. And this is their new burger. Their new little thing. Girl, this shit look dry. Ew. So I got seasoned fries. This is the chicken sandwich. It's the Hawaiian sauce. And I got Hawaiian boneless wings. I'm gonna let you know if this is good or not. I don't know. Cause I already don't like how it looks. Like,
That's not it.
Where's the cheese at? It's whatever. Let's make a pizza.
London. Yeah, out for how long?
Foreigner, 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 foreigner. My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull a truck top with an eater. Two-seater. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with an eater. Two-seater. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. Money way. Diamonds. Flexing. I woke up rich with a grip on the necklace. I put the plug on three-way. Maserati go speed race. Drop a baby on a bitch face.
Every few weeks.
Girl, this is how it came out. It don't look that bad. Please ignore this in the middle. I don't know where the juices come from because I drank the juice from the banana peppers, but I guess I don't know. But it looks pretty good. Can't wait to eat it. This one is mine, and that's for somebody else. FYI, I'm not eating both of these pizzas. New nails. Who this? Who this? Yeah, my girl snaps or eats ham. Okay, outie. Hey homegirls, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey homegirl, what's going on? And if you're a new subscriber, hey girl, go ahead and subscribe because you know I'm a whole vibe and you're gonna like it here. And I'm Wanda, by the way. We still trying to get this introduction, this title, my little saying together. So some videos I say my saying, some videos I don't, because I'm still trying to get it together here. But anyways, happy Saturday, y'all. Girl, I done reflat under this bob and that was giving like hump on this side. I don't know why. But anyways, we about to run some errands. Much needed errands. I'm mainly just gonna go to the grocery store. Y'all know I do my groceries every week. I don't think I went grocery shopping last weekend though. But, and I can tell because I need groceries like crazy. Oh, because I just did Instacart last week. But anyways, we're gonna go to Aldi because if y'all saw like 2 to 3 vlogs ago when I went to Aldi, I want to re-up on those drinks and just see what they got because they had the deals. And I need to go to Costco's. And yeah, and whatever we decide. It's very cloudy outside. I don't know what Canada got going on, but it's affecting DC too. So it's like, come on now. Cause I'm like, damn, it's like hazy and foggy, and I'm like, damn. First of all, girl, I thought it was my contacts. I was like, damn, I can barely see. Cause when I went to go get my nails done on Thursday, it was very, very hazy. But I'm telling my friends, like, girl, I think I'm going blind or something. I don't know, but yeah. I did a simple little, you know, my makeup no makeup type of look, just brows, concealer, and pressed powder, because today is about to be a very much content day. After I run my errands, when I get back, I'm locked in. I'm gonna knock these hauls out because we're in July and it's time to up my content. Like, yeah, y'all get vlogs every week, but I'm trying to post 3 times out the week instead of just 1 video a week. Like, it's time to get out this lazy mode. We need to elevate, okay? But that's for another story, another day, not right now. But it is okay, so it's about to be 1 o'clock. Yeah, I gotta get a move on it. And oh damn, girl, it's supposed to rain today too. It's gonna start raining at 4 o'clock. So yeah, let's kick it. This is cute. I like this right here, the 4 piece. He's on a little stretch out. Girl, just had this shit in there. What the hell? Wow, it's too many people.
Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dress like Michael Jackson. I could be a thug, man. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance?
So this is the deal they got for the week for this cases of ice. I think I'm gonna get this. This is all the lemonade flavors. Yeah, I'm about to get this.
Left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we about to slide. Can't let this one slide.
Girl, we just left out of Costco's. First of all, it's crowded as ever in here. And I was like, dang, why is there so many people in here? And Mom, what you say?
It's a person of mine.
Girl, they is in here, but also you gotta think it's 4th of July weekend also, so people buy and stuff, party for like cookouts and stuff like that. But I don't know, but
They must have had enough food in the house or something.
I don't know what it was in there, but shit, we got some stamps. Send me some. I'll buy some more for you.
Let's see that thing on there.
What? Oh, slide me some stamps if you got them. Oh, quick little haul. I got the yogurts. I actually went to Safeway. I didn't record, but I went to Safeway and got these. This is a new flavor I never tried before, so I'm gonna let you know how it is. Got me some little immunity shots, energy shots, kombucha. This is everything I got from Aldi. Peaches. These two smoothies. These 2 smoothie blends, I never had these before, but I can't wait to try these. It's gonna be so good. And got some more juice, unsalted little sunflower seeds, peppers, chopped salads. These go in my salads. Flatbread, because I'm about to make a pizza, and chips. And y'all saw me when I got this out of Costco's. Hey y'all, it's many hours later. Girl, I done did a whole try on haul, took some pictures. I showed y'all in the last vlog that I took pictures in the garage. I didn't like none of those pictures. After I really sat there and looked at them, yeah, I don't like none of those pictures. So I just ended up taking pictures in my basement, and girl, I don't know why I didn't do that. Because they actually came out good. Yeah, they came out good. So I'm gonna upload those tomorrow to promote the Sunday's vlog. So yeah, but it's Saturday night and I'm about to make a drink because I don't have no wine, so I'm about to just make me a little drinky drink and watch a movie because I gotta edit 2 videos. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this try on haul, and then I got 2 other videos to edit. So yeah. So I have a little bit of tequila left. This is the Camarina tequila, and I got some simple syrup. I'm about to, oh, and I got the guava juice earlier, so I'm about to make like a little concoction. First of all, I think I want to do like a frozen drink or something. We have like a smoothie type of blender. I have to find it. And I got some Geraldine, so I could do something with this. Hold on, what's the expiration date on this thing first? Oh, it's still good. Okay. All right. Let me find the blender really quick. Okay, so the guava juice is in the basement. I'm not going downstairs. I just don't feel like it. So I'm gonna use strawberry lemonade. So I got my ice. We got the tequila, the Geraldine, and the simple syrup, and the little blender. And I'm about to make me something up. So let's get to working our magic. Oh, she's good. She's good. I am gonna add a little bit more ice in this one because I want her a little bit more frozen. But she's good. Okay, that's my little drinky drink. So I'm about to go back in here and finish editing, and have to clean up because I have clothes everywhere. So that is the end for tonight. Oh, please don't mind my little oil stain on my shirt. It won't come out. But anyways, that's the end for tonight, girl. Ain't nothing else going on, ain't nothing happening. So I'm gonna check up y'all tomorrow. Alright, so the baked ziti is done. It looks so good. Can't wait to eat it. Yum, yummy, yummy. And then this one has Alfredo sauce. My mom has acid reflux, so I made hers with Alfredo sauce. So yeah, and I'm just waiting for the garlic bread to finish. And then what time is it? Oh girl, I'm thinking it's later than what it is. It's 24:41, but I'm gonna eat at 5 o'clock because I'm starving. And I'm watching I Am Shelly. Ooh. Once the garlic bread is done, I'm gonna come back. Oh, hello, why is you up? Oh, all right. Yeah, once the garlic bread is done, I'm gonna show you how to plate my food and everything. I might, I don't know, but outie. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. Happy 4th of July. It's later in the evening. Girl, it's like going on 6 o'clock. Yeah, basically going on 6 o'clock. We're about to head out and go see the fireworks. I'm excited. First of all, why in the world is 4th of July on a Tuesday? Like, it's really throwing me off because it's on a Tuesday. Like, I worked on Monday, I'm off today, and back to work tomorrow. It's just like, I don't like that. But anyways, I know my eyes feel so blurry, these damn contacts. But anywho, yeah, so we're about to go watch fireworks. I don't know if I'm starting a new vlog or is it continuing. I don't know, I haven't edited anything yet. Bitches everywhere. God damn. Bitches bombs out. Chilling outside. Girl, they got all these fireworks going off. They sound like nothing but bombs. Child, there's bombs going on back there. They going off everywhere. We out in the city with it. You see it? Look. Look, y'all. You see it. It's going off everywhere.